Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change fonts in Instagram bio on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to change your Instagram bio font, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just open Instagram, and now in Instagram just click on the profile option, and here just click on edit profile. So here you will see your Instagram account bio. So if you want to change its font, so there's no any direct way to change its font, but you can still do that. You just have to copy your bio from here. Let's say I'm gonna copy my bio. And once you have copied, just open a new tab and you just have to search for font generator. You can also search for font changer or font generator. Let's say I'm gonna search for font changer. And here open any website. Let's say I'm going to open the first website here. Now you just have to paste your copied bio here. Just paste that, and once you have done, your font will be changed. If it doesn't work very first time, so you can retry to paste that, and after that you can see that there's a lot many fonts generated. So you just have to select which one you want to set. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just click on it and it will be copied. You can also click on this multiple times. Then go to Instagram, paste your copied bio, scroll down, click on submit, and your bio is not changed. Just go to your profile, reload or refresh the page, and you can see that your Instagram bio has been successfully changed in a new font. So in this way, you can easily change font of your Instagram bio. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.